Hi, everyone. Today I will show you how to use advanced Bing with AI and find exact information. Let's go. Microsoft has confirmed that the new Bing is powered by GPT-4, which is a major improvement over GPT 3.5, which is what has powered ChatGPT up to this point. The Bing brings together data from the GPT-4 model and Bing to generate answers quickly that are based on real-time information. The new Gen LLM tech that powers Bing AI and ChatGPT can offer smarter and more accurate answers. Thanks for watching.